In this video, we will take a look at our newest major feature, the Discover screen. This is a dedicated area within the app designed to help you discover new investment opportunities in the cryptocurrency space. To start, simply tap Discover on the navigation bar. The Discover screen is organized into three main tabs: Coins, Categories, and Sectors. Let's first focus on the Coins tab. Here, you'll find an extensive list of tokens and coins currently available in the market. By default, they are sorted by rank, but you can also sort them by market cap, current price, or price change over customizable time periods. Selecting any cryptocurrency from the list will take you to its dedicated page. At the top, you'll see basic information about the asset, followed by two tabs, Overview and Markets. In the Overview tab, you'll find a historical price chart, market statistics, a text description, and a list of categories the asset belongs to. Moving to the Markets tab, you'll see all trading pairs with the selected cryptocurrency across various exchanges within TabTrader. You can add any pair to a watch list by clicking on the star icon next to it. Selecting a trading pair itself will redirect you to its instrument page. Now, let's return to the Discover screen homepage and open the Categories tab. Here, you can browse through lists of tokens and coins grouped by different criteria, such as market sector, technology type, utility, and affiliation with various established companies. Each category page provides detailed information about the category. The top section displays key market metrics, while the lower part lists all assets within that category. Just like on the Coins tab, tapping on any asset will take you to its dedicated page. Finally, let's explore the Sectors tab. Here, tokens and coins are organized into groups based on their affiliation with particular blockchains. As you'll notice, the functionality of the sector page is similar to that of the category page. And that wraps up our tour of the Discover screen. We invite you to explore it for yourself and let us know what you think. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave us a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos.